Okay. The Sony ZV-1, made for vlogging. This is my first time opening this. So, nothing really much on the box. Some information on there. Okay, what do we get? Extended warranty. No idea how much that'll cost. It's all the specs. It's got quite a lot of stuff on there. Dolby audio. This and this are the two things that are important to me. Is the way it looks and the way it sounds. So, yeah, pretty darn cool. Right. Is this a pull or a cut? I think it's a pull. Triggered somebody there, I'm sure. You've got no fingernails. More instructions. I'm going to register it. Think about accessories. I've bought loads already. Manual. Wow, it's a lot smaller than I thought it would be in real life. That's the dead cat. That goes on the cold shoe, covers your microphone. Little charging cable. Anti-static bag by the looks of it. Oh, there she is. Look at that beauty. It's upside down. Wow. How long I've wanted one of these. Oh, look at that. That's cool, isn't it? Very nice. Very nice indeed. There's a microphone. I think you take... Oh, I'm not going to touch it because I'm going to break it. But I think that comes out there, and then you put this in there. It's got a little haircut now. Very nice. Put that there. Then we'll see that bit. We have one battery.